Hello. In this video, we demonstrate and explain the methods by which our app functions and how we utilize foreground services. This app is designed for location tracking, allowing users to track the locations of their family members and friends with their consent. To ensure accuracy, we employ various foreground services. Firstly, we utilize location, background location updates for user-initiated location sharing, enabling accurate tracking of the followee's location. Additionally, we employ data sync, network transfer, a foreground service for uploading or downloading location details to synchronize the followee's location with the follower.